So if you're just dropping by Asian Center, remember that was the rock garden over there. Just can see the rock garden, and that's the Memorial Road going up there, and then this road is I think this is what is this road? Upper Mall, perhaps. West Mall. This is the West Mall Road, right? And then you can go past the C.K. Choi building for the Institute of Asian Research, and then that building you will see again. I think that's a parking reserved for students. Oh no, it's not. You can actually pay for parking there. Yeah, and then there's Evo up there. Yeah, there's no access from the side. You have to go up the Memorial Road. Yeah. So just trying to find a chance center for the performing arts. We've gone through the Asian Center where there's lots of cool stuff to see and explore. And just going down West Mall. Down here is the Museum of Anthropology. I'm not sure if it's open. This is the Liu Institute. Yeah, up there's a flagpole plaza. Yeah, let's do that later. It's Crescent Road. That's yeah, and it looks like there's a lot of nice trails to go into here as well. Okay, so where am I? I'm right here. I'm right here. So if you walk straight there, that's the Museum of Anthropology, and we're back at the Northwest Marine Drive. I just walked all the way from here, went up here, went through here to see the walking pathways and the Asian Center, and walked back up here, then turned here. Okay, so yeah, so I guess to get to Chan Center I can either go here or go up Crescent Road, and let's do that. That's done. That's the Sing Tao building for the School of Journalism. And this is what is this building? I think this is the Dean's office. Oh yeah, there it is. That's the Dean's office for the graduate and postdoctoral studies. It's closed today. It's a Saturday. I would love to have a chat with the dean. Faculty of Graduate Studies.
All the ones that could be mighty.
So, let's see. This looks like it's a lot closer to Chan Center. The Leah and what's this place? Crescent Road. 6354 Crescent Road. It's the Leon and Thea Kerner Center. Peter Wall Institute for Advanced Studies. Ooh, oh, I would love to study there. Yeah. So looks like this is the Crescent Road. Might be the closest parking spot. Yeah. Because down there is the Rose Garden. Yeah, that's the Rose Garden. Not a bad view. So if that's the Rose Garden, we should be coming up Chan Center. There it is. So we found you. Now I just want to know where is the best place park the Chan Center, especially if I just want to pick up somebody. Oh. Huh. Let's take a picture of the Chan Center. That looks nice. This one looks nice too. Yeah. So, okay. Looks like there's a parking spot here by the Peter A. Allard School of Law. I think that's the School of Law. That might be a whole lot closer than parking at the Rose Garden. Because Rose Garden, if you're coming from the Northwest Marine Drive entrance, you're parking at the L3 parking lot. You can go all the way up to L5. L3 is the first parking spot you can get into if you're coming from the street level. Then you can go up to L4, L5. Then if you're parking at Rose Garden, you have to go back to the street and go up the stairs. That's the fastest way to get to Chan Center. But, and again, yeah, it's about $10 for an event. It looks like this is a whole lot closer and don't have to go down a flight of stairs. It's by the Crescent Road and the East Mall by the Peter Allard School of Law. So you can park here. There's a couple of spots. I'm looking for the parking meter just to confirm the rates. I'm going to guess it's probably the same. Zone 5608. Yeah, maybe $4 per hour or $10 for the whole day. I don't see any parking meter. Doesn't look like there's any time limit, so yeah, it must be $10 for the day. And you can also use a bike on Hopper to get around UBC. They look pretty sketchy though. Oh, finally. Hope that's open. I've been looking for a coffee shop. It's so by Chan Center, this is the first coffee shop I saw, and I've walked all around. It's called the Harvest. Dig into goodness. I will do that for sure. Yeah, there's a map here. I'm here. So we just walk past Chan Center for the Performing Arts. That's the Allard building. This is the ASC, or the Art Student Center, that round building which you see here. I'm right here. This is the Brock Commons South, and there's that coffee shop right there. Now that I'm seeing this, there's the sign for coffee. So there's one here. I started walking. Looks like there's another one past West Point. I want to see where Corpus Christi is on St. Mark's. Somewhere here. Chancellor Boulevard. So if I go past Brock's Common, then go past Common East, I'll take a left down St. Andrew's Walk, and I can go explore Epiphany Chapel, and then yeah, get to the looks like you can explore, find Corpus Christi here. Okay, let's do that. I'll skip coffee for now. I want to see if the bikes from Rogers are better than the bikes from Hopper. The Rogers bikes are called Moby. Oh yeah, they look uh, they look in way better shape. And they're electric, I think. Yeah, they are electric. You can just see where's the batteries in this one? Oh no, they're not electric. It's just a hub down there that powers the whatever this is. So Mobi Bike, you have to download the app, check out the bike. Yeah. So it's human powered. It's not an e-bike, which is good. But I have one here that's yeah, this must be an e-bike. Yep. See the hub there? Yeah, it's an e-bike. I can see it's the Bafang motor. See there. So that's the motor in the front wheel, and compared to the red ones, which are this one's not electric for sure. This one's electric. The electric ones looks newer to me. I wonder if they have the same rate. Maybe, probably not. So you have to create an account, register, check out the bike, then you have to find a dock. So if you're going to the Chan Center, the nearest dock that I can find is the one by the ASC round building, close to Allard Hall and the Brox going south. Yeah. I'll come back for Sunday to try that out. I'm looking for a way to get to Corpus Christi. So I have to get to, where is this? I have to find St. Andrew's Walk. It started raining. It's not too bad. It's warm. It's a pretty warm November day. Okay, student dorms, Linux house. Okay, there's St. Andrew's Walk. Stop the video here.